SGW TCT saw blade is a high-end quality level TCT blade powered by Xtra power tools. The plate of saw blade is made of high-quality carbon steel with heat treatment and powerful ground. After heat treatment and quenching, the carbide saw blade has high stiffness, toughness and flatness. TCT saw blades using fully automatic, silver-copper-silver, sandwich brazing technology and micro-grain tungsten carbide for the tips to ensure the welding strength and symmetrical precision. Carbide teeth grinding by using CNC, fully automatic machines to ensure the accuracy and finishing of the teeth, and also improve the cutting life. SGW blade has an excellent cutting on chipboard, plywood, and solid woods with fast feed, smooth cut, and longer life. You can use our SGW blades on portable saws, miter saws, and table saws.